Meaning of gadabout.
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 Gadabout. Gadabout is a noun that refers to a person who moves from place to place without any particular purpose or destination. This person is often seen as carefree, adventurous, and not bound by social norms or conventions. A gadabout may travel extensively or simply roam about their local area, seeking out new experiences and opportunities for excitement. While some may view the gadabout lifestyle as irresponsible or frivolous, others see it as a way to break free from routine and embrace a more spontaneous and fulfilling existence.